Begin by opening the hood and locating the airbox cover on the right corner of the engine bay closest to the windshield. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws, red arrows, that hold the cabin air filter cover on. The plastic cover, red arrow, will slide forward and out. Do not force it, as it is only made of thin plastic and can easily break. The filter is held in place by a plastic frame that clips onto the front of the airbox in 2 places, red arrows 1 shown. Unclip the 2 clips and pull the filter and frame, red arrow, from the housing. Remove the old filter, yellow arrow, from the frame, red arrow, and install the new one. Wipe down the inside of the housing, red arrows, before you reinstall the new filter. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.